Hello, fifth graders, and welcome to your math assignment for this week. We are going to be doing an activity called Name That Graph. In this assignment, you will be interpreting and comparing pictographs and single bar graphs to answer questions. Let's look at an example. So, these are your objectives for this graph. Oops, sorry. So, number one, interpret and compare pictographs and single bar graphs. Number two, match mathematical relationships presented in words with those presented in graphs. Okay, so let's take a look at our two graphs. Graph A and B are both single bar graphs that show the number of students with each favorite color. I noticed that there are 4 questions at the bottom. Here are your questions. Let's read through them and try and solve each answer. Number 1 says 5 times as many students choose red as choose green in graph. So I need to look at both graphs and see that how many. Okay, so 5 times as many choose red as, okay. I need to look at both of these graphs to figure out which one of these graphs is the correct answer. After looking it over, I noticed that graph A has 5 times as many favorite colors of red as it does green. On the line for number 1, then write the letter A. Right? Now let's go ahead and answer the rest of these. So 6 fewer students choose green than those who choose yellow in graph. Which one do you think it is? We've got 16 here. So that would be graph B. So that would be B. The number of students who choose blue and yellow is greater than 44 in graph. Okay, so let's see, 24 and 22, that is 46. Let's look over here, 16 and 16 is 32, so it would be graph A. And the last one, the total number of students who choose red and who choose green is 24. So that's 20 and 4. So that is going to be graph A. And there you have it. Those are your answers for Name That Graphs. So you are going to be doing some things like this in your next math assignment. Good luck.